Hey everyone, it's Don from Crux Terminatus with a hobby top tip. We've all been there, we've bought ourselves some lovely Forgeworld models or other resin type models, and they've come to us and they're a bit bent out of shape, and this is obviously from the manufacturing process. It's not perfect, and as you can see on this little Chaos fighter, the blades that stick out the front are seriously bent out of shape. But fear not, you don't have to dip it in warm water, which is what I used to do. Get yourself one of these snazzy little hobby heat tools, right? Don't ever try and dry your hair with it. It will burn your scalp straight off. So all you have to do, and this is done in real time, I'm not going to speed it up, this is how quick and easy it is to do. You just heat it up to the point where it starts to become pliable, and then best not if you use your fingers, but if you can use like the base of this board I'm going to use, just to actually bend it back so it becomes nice and in shape. It's actually surprisingly pliable when you put the right amount of heat on it. If you go too close, the resin starts to bubble and give off really toxic fumes. I would avoid that if you can, but hey, you're all adults. Oh, that's my phone going, sorry about that. So yeah, this is a top tip that nobody asked for, but hell, I'll give you it anyway. And as you can see, it makes a big difference, and it's only the work of a couple of seconds. So rather than you having to boil the kettle all night, it's a good one. Hope everyone's alright. Speak to you soon. Cheers, bye bye.